Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2006 Honda Civic, and we are going to replace the tensioner belt and also the tensioner pulley for this car. So let's get started. Alright, so the best way to remove the pulley is to remove your alternator. It's removing the alternator is so simple. It has only like 2 bolts in here, 12 mm, one in here and one in there. So in removing the belt, you just need a 19 wrench. But for this one, this is already seized, so I couldn't move it. You move it counterclockwise, but this one is already seized, so that's the reason why we are replacing the tensioner. So what I did is I just get a pry bar, then pry bar this, pry this, move it towards here, this belt. So again, the tensioner is already seized, so I couldn't, show how to, move this. Alright, to get this bolt, one bolt for the tensioner, we need to remove the water pump pulley. So in doing that, you just need this. You can have this also because there's a hole in here, or you can use a vice grip, but vice grip is better. Then you can loosen those 3 bolts right there. So see this? I loosen it already. Yep. Almost there. Alright, 1 bolt, so same process for the 2 bolts left, right? Alright, so after we remove the bolts, we can remove the pulley. This is the pulley. Let's just remove the belt. The pulley. There you go. Just need the pry bar. Yeah, that's the pulley. Good. Now we had an access for the bolt for the tensioner. So we got 1 bolt in here. That's one. Then 1 bolt underneath this. Okay, let's do it. Good. Okay, that's number 12. Nakaya na DJ ko. First bolt, okay. So we move the number 12 right there. We need this Allen keys right there. Need Allen. That's one. Hold on. Using this T8. Let me just put it first, then I will show it to you. So right there. See that? use my ratchet. So there you go. It's better if you do it at the top like this. Almost there. Alright. Almost there. Right there. And then remove it on the top. Huh? Okay. Right there. Got it. Mari ka man dyan. Salsa dito tayo. Almost there. There you go. Okay, we did remove it without removing this harmonic balancer. Some videos they remove the harmonic balancer, but you can do it on the top. Okay, let's put the new one. What's the new one? The same. Looks the same. Yeah, this one. It's just alright. Okay, let's put it on. So the way we do it, so start from the top. Other way, Joe. It's been, there you go. Not super quick. And then so we'll put on the bolt, the T8. Screw it by hand. There you go. Then put the number 12 right there. And done.
Taray?
Wait.
Taray.
Give me some.
Taray.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also,
Lubo.
the one in here. Number 12. Alright. There you go. Alright, so number 12. Go. Done.
Hindi ka mga ibig na dyan.
That's it.
Pero kaya ito yung kistilo ni.
And then for this one, let's tighten it. Alright. There you go. That's it. That's how you replace the tensioner for 2006 Honda Civic. That's it.